As the Kleen Spa Distributor, we offer this Kleen Spa liquid cleaner, which is highly effective for a traditional cartridge filter. It is applied directly to the filter cleaning container and left to soak for a minimum of 8 hours. The filter is then removed and rinsed off with fresh water. Remove the cartridge from the spa and hose off any loose debris. Fill a clean plastic bucket, large enough to completely immerse the cartridge, with clean water. Add 1 litre of Kleen Spa Cartridge Cleaner. For every 20 litres of water in the bucket, carefully immerse the cartridge in the solution and allow to soak overnight or for at least 8 hours. Remove cartridge from the solution and rinse thoroughly with fresh water. For best results, allow the cartridge to dry before returning to the spa. We are pool and spa centre and have led the hot tub and pool market since 2003.